Now we have that integral of sine 4x multiplied by sine 6x dx. Now, products of sine and cosines are harder to integrate directly. So to simplify this integration, we are going to use a standard identity, which is the product to sum identity. But by Trig identity, we have it that sine A multiplied by sine B is equal to 1 divided by 2, all enclosed in a bracket, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So everything enclosed in a bracket. So by this identity, we have that sine of 4x multiplied by sine 6x will now be equal to integral of 1 divided by 2, open a bracket, cos 4x minus 6x minus cos 4x plus 6x, all enclosed in a bracket, multiply by dx. Now at this point, 1 over 2 is a constant, so we take it out. So we have 1 divided by 2 integral 4x minus 6x is minus 2x. So we have cos minus 2x minus cos 4x plus 6x is 10x, all enclosed in a bracket, multiply by dx. So therefore, the expression can now be written as integral of cos minus 2x dx minus integral of cos 10x dx. So upon integrating, we have that 1 divided by 2, open the bracket, this is minus sine 2x divided by 2 minus, if we integrate this expression here, we have sine 10x divided by 10, and we introduce our integration constant c. So at this point, we multiply the expression by 1 divided by 2. So we have that this is minus sine 2x divided by 4 minus sine 10x divided by 20 plus c. Thus, we have it now that integral of sine 4x multiplied by sine 6x dx is equal to minus sine 2x divided by 4 plus sine 10x divided by 20 plus c. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful. Please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to this channel.